Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're going to talk about how to manage your gas mileage and be more economical with the way that you operate your vehicle, resulting obviously in saving more money, especially with these gas prices high the way that they are. So we're going to show you how you can operate your vehicle a little more efficiently and save gas, save money by doing that. So let's get started. What I found helpful in being able to track this is if you have a vehicle like this one where it tracks your average miles per gallon and it also tracks your instant miles per gallon. So you can actually check your performance as you're driving to see your driving technique, see what works best, which will obviously result in your overall miles per gallon improving. So let's go ahead and take this for a spin and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Most people have a tendency when they drive is they'll actually take their foot and they'll push down on the gas pedal and they'll hold it down during the whole time of that trip, maintaining whatever speed they're doing. Well, the only problem with doing that is you're burning your gas quicker than you really need to. What I found that works best is if you basically, when you start off, you're going to go ahead and accelerate, get up to your desired speed, and then once there, then you can just kind of coast, lightly pumping the gas pedal occasionally just to maintain that speed, and you're using such little gas by doing that, and you're actually drifting a lot of the way maintaining that speed. And you'll notice here, if we look at the actual display gauge, you'll see how that changes things compared to when you just push the gas pedal down the whole way, burning the gas continuously. Alright, so we're here on the Beltway, doing about 65 miles an hour, so I can show you the results here. I'm going to drive the car two different ways. One, maintaining a steady speed by keeping the gas pedal pressed down, and then another one with just coasting and pumping it as we talked about earlier, and you'll be able to see the difference. So here we go. Thank you for watching Andy's Garage. I hope this video helped you out. When it was all said and done, when you're looking at a full tank of gas, if you manage your accelerator and manage that fuel consumption, you can get anywhere from 9 to 10 miles per gallon more on a tank of gas by doing it that way, as opposed to using the accelerator the whole time you're driving. Please send any questions, comments. Please like, subscribe. As always, we appreciate your support, and we thank you for viewing, and we'll see you next time.